Let's discuss wiring a 240 volt, 400 watt light fixture using two three-way switches rated 120 volts or 277 volts. The building service is 120 volts or 240 volts, and the fixture is specifically designed to be wired for 240 volts only. It's not possible to wire this configuration safely or correctly. The reason it will not work is due to the voltage rating incompatibility between the switches and the fixture. The switches are rated for a maximum of 120 volts or 277 volts. While 277 volts is higher than the 240 volts required by the fixture, the switch likely won't be designed to carry the correct amperage at the 240 volt load and could cause it to fail. Using switches designed for lower voltage than what the fixture requires could lead to several problems. 1. The switches could be damaged. Applying a voltage beyond the switch's rating can cause internal components to break down, leading to malfunction or complete failure. 2. There's a potential fire hazard. Overloading the switches with higher voltage or amperage than they are designed for can generate excessive heat, increasing the risk of fire. It is crucial to select switches that are specifically rated for 240 volts for this application to ensure electrical safety and proper functionality. Always consult with a qualified electrician to ensure that the wiring and components are properly installed and meet all applicable electrical codes. Using the wrong components can lead to significant safety risks, including electrical shock and fire.